Can we fix it? Fender Pa 4100 repair update. This is how far I've got. This is the amplifier. Quite a nice looking PA system. Hi everyone, just making a quick video here. The weather outside is atrocious. Let's go and have a look at the weather. There's the weather. Look at it. Terrible. Hacking down with rain. Is that like what it's like where you are with this storm we've got coming? But anyway, video. Here's how far I've got with a Fender 4100 PA amplifier. There's no information about it on the net, so I'm going to have to do some backwards engineering and work out how this thing puts together. Yeah, fun day. The Fender 4100 PA amplifier. No microphone inputs on the front. No all input, output, echo send and return and speaker outputs are all on the back. When you switch on, the fuse in the back panel gives a bright flash as it blows, and so there's something, obviously a dead short inside the main amplifier. Let's strip it out. As you can see, I've already taken out the 4 screws that hold in the main amplifier. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Nothing else needs to come out, and there's 2 plugs on the main board. Here's the main board. Once it's taken out of the chassis, you have to unplug this plug that's inside the machine to remove it. That will remove the whole power supply and chassis and everything. As can be seen, I've already removed the main board. There's 4 screws underneath that have to come out so that you can take the main board out. It's actually inside, it's not on top like you see here. I've had to do that to get to reverse engineer it. Now, the other plug that has to come out is the mains plug there, so do not have this plugged in, whatever, when you start pulling it out. There is a mains neon. It is a little plug. I'll just zoom into that, see if I can get a better shot of it for you. That one there, that's a mains neon. It's a 2-pin plug, and it's part and parcel of the front panel, and that literally just supplies mains straight up to the front panel to drive the neon. And yeah, that's what it looks like when you've got it out. There is a fuse on this end. That is a speaker fuse, so you don't need to if it's coming on and the lights are all, and it's all lighting up but you're getting no sound out of it, you've got a speaker fuse just here. I think it's, yeah, it's supposed to be a 5 amp fuse. It does say just down, I'll put it down a bit. Where's it gone? Up there, that's what I'm talking about. Speaker fuse, there, speaker fuse, that's the one I'm talking about, 5 amp, and it's in that can. Try and get a better shot. It's in there, and this is just an unscrew, untwist and pull out and change the fuse. Untwist, pull out, change the fuse. Our fuse was intact. Just a bit of a juggle to put it back in when you put it in. That's it. It's like a bayonet socket. And the other knob that you were looking at there, that's a separate earth for putting a wired earth on, wired ground. And yeah, oh, wrong way. So that's what it looks like. Nice big caution, do not play with this transformer. I like what it says there. Caution, do not play, do not put your fingers in here when it's switched on. No use of repairable parts. But the main fuse is housed in the there, in the voltage selector. In there is another fuse, and that's where we got the nice bright flash. I can't do the bright flash for you because it will waste another fuse, and I don't want to waste it. I haven't got none actually. I've run out. That was my last fuse. I've got to waiting for some to arrive. I've run out of fuses. Everything keeps eating fuses because I tried to get it back to the condition it was in when the customer had the problem arrive. And yeah, that is it. So next bit. A look at where the isolated low AC from the transformer T2 connects to the power amp PCB. And we denoted that red and red and red yellow was for the centre voltage of these two, the centre winding, so that would have been ground. Board markings as red T24, red T26 and red yellow T25. There's the red and red, which is from the to the transformer wires. Red and red we decided was the for one negative and one for positive, and the red yellow wire was its 0 volts. So to these cans, listen. That's why I know 0 volts is 0 volts. Board markings, green yellow equals T2 2, green equals T2 3 and green equals T2 1. Green yellow, green green, green yellow. Do the same with the other one, the green yellow now. Telling me the cans are all at ground level. 0 volts equals ground equals GND equals 0 volts. Those 0 volts, listen, they're interlinked. They're all one single ground. So there you go. Put that back under there. All one single ground. The secondary isolated low AC 0 volts equals OV. The wire colour codes reverse engineered completed. I'm going to stop making the video there. That's the end of this. So that's part 1. That's just getting into the AC side of things. Then it's to determine what kind of bridge rectifiers its design is, and that's the next part, and maybe a little bit further. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and please comment to say, leave me, you know, continue with this amplifier, because there's no information out there. Another one on its way to being restored. Like, thumbs up or down, and subscribe. Have a good day. The sound might only be coming out from one of your speakers. That's okay. It's this video sound, not your player. If you're new to my UK Super Rascal YouTube channel, click the subscribe icon and go to the top on the left hand side. Please click the subscribe icon and subscribe. And also click the bell icon to get notifications of my next video. Now it's very important that you share this video, so please click the share button and share to your Facebook, Twitter or any of your favourite social media apps. If you like this video, then please click the like button, and that will be much appreciated. Leave a comment. If you leave a comment about this video, I will answer your comment, or just comment back on a comment made. But if you leave any swearing in your comments, then your comments will not be published. No, they won't, if you swear. If you wish to send me any electrical items to review or for teardown videos, click the show more button below this video for my address, or go to my Facebook page john.lovatt.524 and send me a personal message via Facebook. Or if you click the about button on this UK Super Rascal channel, then you'll find all the details there. If you wish to send me a donation, you can use your online banking. My full banking details can be found by clicking the show more button below or the about button. Mostly the about button is easier to use. My thanks go to you in advance for any comments, likes, shares or donations made to my UK Super Rascal channel, YouTube. But if you're already a subscriber, then try clicking the quick links to my other 3 videos. The quick links should be on screen. Also, there is hashtags above the name of this video. You'll see some small hashtags. Click them and see what happens. You're going to go to my other YouTube hashtags and see what other videos are available. Thanks for listening, and as it says, this is the longest bye bye ever. Bye bye.